Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Minta usnam arajar katpra, kakan hon jong ki kraw perkhan hak subject economics, jong kani kathan chatai lamingi ki bahapo ka shatri, jong ka North East Economics Association. Kila pelong ka Dorbar ba ka jong ki hakani kanong ba Shillong haki ars ngilantar. Yakani ka jelang ka belatib kum ka 19 Annual Conference of the North East Economic Association and National Seminar la pelong hak arpulai berarp sautrek hapo Multi-Use Convention Hall kabaran hapo ka sekolah Northeastern Hill University. But yakani ka lempong mentausnam la pelong da ka Department of Economics Nehu. Kapang pedeng hak balai tai hakini ki arsngi jongkani ka jelang ka baong hak aktian English ka baong Entrepreneurship and Campaigns of Skill India, Startup India, etc. But kawai pat kapang pedeng ka baong Structural Transformation of the Northeastern Economy. Hakani ka jelang lawan a jingkran lamprang karpangro halor kini kimat da kawai na kitkhon jong ka kanhon Prime Minister's Economic Advisory Council ka balangro ka Director jong ka Research and Senior Fellow of Governance Studies Program ka Dr. Shamika Ravi. Hakani jelang play yakani ka jelang ka baarsngi jong ka Northeastern Economic Association hak arplai trek mentaulber u Vice Chancellor jong ka sekolah Northeastern Hill University USK Srivastava ulalong kongsan rengkat ke jenon lang u President jong ka nia u Professor BJ Kumar Singh u Secretary jong ka nehi kaseng u Dr. Indranil Bhoming bat kiwi de ki balasa khors ngobha.
So my talk today is to basically put the focus back on research, put the focus back on knowledge generation, and why today I think one of the biggest constraints that we are facing in this country is not of capital. You know, we have growth. We are still essentially a poor country, though we sometimes have to, in our mentality, in our sentiments, we tend to discuss as if we are a first world country. But the truth is that we still remain a developing country. But capital isn't as much of a concern today as, I think, ideas and government capacity. I think we are held back because the government has the resources, but as is seen repeatedly across ministries, a lot of these resources are sitting underutilized. And I think that really is a reflection of, one, the capacity of the government, but if you want to describe what that capacity is, ideas. And I think that's because the ideas are not traditionally the basic work of a bureaucracy or an executive. They are really meant to implement the ideas. The ideas have to come from society's needs. What is it that the country should be prioritizing? How should we be spending money? What are these structural reforms that we keep talking about? This is not something that should be left to the executive of the country. It should ideally sit and come out from universities and research institutions and from the academia. So on that note, let me try to give you a sense of, if we could have the table please. Now I have put a very specific example of Meghalaya here, but obviously this is not limited to Meghalaya. The reason I picked up the state is because the state is now at an exciting cusp of having a brand new government. And with every new government, there are new aspirations. So we basically want to look at what is the status of the state like this. You know, the Northeast, on an average, is actually doing rather well compared to the rest of the country when you consider infant mortality and maternal mortality. Now that is obviously not a laurel you want to rest on, because the average of the country obviously means you also have the left end of the distribution, which is UP and Jharkhand, etc., where the numbers actually are very, very disappointing. But one thing that stands out as being really odd about Meghalaya is that the life expectancy of both male and female is significantly lower than the All India average. Now that should be a cause of concern, because life expectancy is like one of those composite metrics through which we measure quality of life. If people on an average are living 5 years less, that should be a cause of concern. So we do want to get back to not just human capital productivity, as Dr. Pala referred, but also essentially the basic quality of life.